So shalom again. This is the third video going about perpetual calendar that I made. The last video, at the end of it, I told about the discovery I found on timeanddate.com, going by year with the pattern how to create this calendar. So this is the final product. As good handwriting as I can. I'm gonna later take pictures of it or try to scan them in so that they'll be in a proper size, so anybody can print them out, cut them out, and use them. That's the only way I can let you reference this without making a mess of filling the forms for yourself. So as you can see, there is whole lot of more information here than just 2 rows in a original perpetual calendar, the sun calendar. There's a 4 rows, actually there's a 5th row, because I couldn't put all the years on the correct places. As you can see, there are many lots, sections that are grayed out because the configuration of the month won't go there, and yet there are years like 5 in a row. So there is different pattern, and the ones with the green box around them is Gregorian leap year. It's the year when February has an extra day. Now, why I have this 2065 and 2015 as a jubilee, it's a reference point to another researcher ahead of me who's been doing this, his Enoch calendar, where I took most of my inspiration, because he was the one person whose calendar I didn't like at the first. The way he conducted his research, because he was from the day one this information came out, he openly said he is against biblical cosmology. He came at this information from the point view of solar cosmic view, mainstream cosmology view. Even though I looked at the information that he was looking at, and I was doing my personal version of the calendar, I managed to get to the same results at the end of my research. So again, these are the years. The next circle here is 4 times the weekdays. As you can see, Sunday day 1, Monday day 2, Tuesday day 3, Wednesday day 4, Thursday day 5, Friday day 6, Sabbath day 7, rest day. Because it's almost universal that the Sabbath is the Sabbath hasn't been changed. The order of days hasn't been changed. Even in nature, the beavers rest on the Sabbath day. There's been tests. People have been breaking down the dams that beaver made to get their lands proper water the way they wanted, but beavers keep rebuilding the dams. But even on the Sabbath day, on Saturday, beavers stopped working or coming out, and on the next day they started rebuilding the dams again. So that's one example. But etymology of the word from the Greek, from the Hebrew, even if you take Slavic root, the Russian Sabbath, Sabbat, Subota, it's always the same. Now, Japanese calendar, however, first day starts on Monday. Again, I'm gonna show why I'm using this Japanese here as one of the ciphers. It's more condensed, more compact to put information here. And also I added here in my own language the days names. In Japanese, there are two different ways to say a couple numbers, like 7 or like 4. So basically, let's just say Nana, Sunday, pühapäev in Estonian, Ichi, Monday, esmaspäev, Nii, Tuesday, teisipäev, Sun, Wednesday, kolmapäev, Yon or Shi, Thursday, neljapäev, Go, Friday, reede, Roku, Saturday, laupäev, even though Roku in Japanese means 6. So that's how they start their week. They start their week on Monday. Some calendars start on Sunday. And this is just the way different systems implemented them. And then there's another cipher here. There's the green boxes again are for the leap year. January is 31 days in Gregorian calendar, even in the leap year, but the configuration of how to use the leap year in this calendar, you have to use January in a different position, because in February there's 29 days, and normal February there's 28 days. So January 31, February 28, March 31, April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31, August 31, September 30, October 31, November 30, December 31. This is the cipher. So here are the months: January, October, May, August, leap year, February, March, February, November, June, December, September, July, April, leap year, January. So the first part, how to use this section, is for the lunar clock. This we don't have to worry about right now, or this one. But it all comes together in the end. So basically what we do is we take how to use this is we take a year. For example, today is this is 2023 during this recording. So we add up the month we have here on the dial. We have it on April, and then we look, the month starts on Shabbat, Saturday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. And if you use a leap, if you use a leap year or leap January, you just point the desired month with the desired year, and you can get it. And if you know it's the second, Second week of the April should be right now. So if I take out my calendar, this calendar shows we're on April. Monday, 10th of April. So and on the second week. So if we look here, it should be Monday. As you can see, Monday, it is 10th. It's the second week. And this is how you use this perpetual calendar. This is the 10th April, and there should be, as you can see, maybe a little clearer, 2023. So this is how you use it. If it's on the leap year, because on a leap year there's a extra day in February, that's why January configuration during the leap year is on a different spot. So for example, if we were in 2040 or 2012 or 2096 or 68, we'd have to use this configuration to get the correct configuration of the days of the weeks. But if it were any other year, like example 2023, the February, we'd have to use a different configuration because the month starts with a different day. So shalom for now, and then from here we go forward.